The Honor Magic 7 Pro is set to receive a significant update with the rollout of macOS 9.0.0.165. This update enhances the camera system by optimizing food photography effects, improving brightness in high magnification portraits, and resolving a document scanning issue that prevented automatic saving to the gallery. Additionally, a new AI Super Clear Image feature has been introduced, allowing users to enhance blurred photos directly within the gallery. The home screen now supports customization, including the ability to hide app names for a more streamlined interface. System stability has been improved, and the March 2025 security patch has been integrated to bolster device security. This update is part of Honor's commitment to providing 7 years of Android OS and security updates for its Magic series, ensuring users have access to the latest features and protections for an extended period.